Why you always in the mood? Mess around acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but you try to play it cool.
If you have PC and that have Windows 10 or Windows is not activated, or you want to change wallpaper, this video is for you. At first I will show you that my Windows is not activated. So you can see that my Windows is not activated. So if I go in personalization section, you can see I cannot change the wallpaper right now. So if I want to change my wallpaper, first you need to download a wallpaper, or if you have any wallpaper on PC, then select that picture. So at first open that picture, then go to see more option, then click status, then click background, then your wallpaper will change. Or second method is, first go to this PC, then click local disk C, then go to Windows, then select resources, then select themes, then select theme 1. You can see the PC wallpaper have changed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Please subscribe my channel.